Hello Wildcats, Mr. O here teaching you the oblique crunch. If you're new to the oblique crunch, it may take some time getting the technique, it may take some time getting into the starting position, but let's chunk it so that we can do it easily. We're going to start by laying on our backs. Next, we're going to bend our right knee, very similar to the crunch. Okay, so we're bending our right knee, shown with the blue arrows. Then we're going to make a figure 4 with our left knee by placing our left foot on top of our right knee, or our right quadricep. Notice the arrows, we're bending our knee and putting it across our leg, kind of in a lounging position, but we're not going to lounge. Next, I'm going to ask that you take your left hand and put it to your side to stabilize yourself, as you can see Mr. Madej doing, for balance. And we're going to take our right hand and put it behind our head, another lounging position. After you find that position, we are going to take our right leg and raise it off the ground to 90 degrees. So both of our legs are off the ground at this point and we are fully stabilized. The repetition will begin by bringing our right elbow across our body to our left knee, and that's where the obliques come in. We're not going up straight like the crunch. Instead, we're going across our body with our right elbow to meet our left knee. Let's see it in action. And of course, with any exercise that we need to do both sides, we need to switch. So let's see the left oblique crunch in action. There are, however, some common mistakes that we see students do regularly. The first one being leaving your foot on the ground. Remember, both legs need to be lifted into the air in order to find that starting position. Also, when beginning the oblique crunch, some students will try to reach their left elbow to their left knee, which would be more similar to a crunch. We're trying to avoid that. We want to reach across our bodies. Lastly, you can see Mr. Madej here just lying around. And also, you'll see that Mrs. Boljan and Mr. Madej get into what we call the chicken wing, where you just move your elbow kind of towards your knee, but you don't actually lift that shoulder blade off the ground. Remember, we're trying to use our obliques and our abs in order to get that elbow across to our knee. The goal is not just to have your knee touch your elbow. The goal is to use your core muscles to get you there.